Hello everyone, welcome to TeenUpgrader.com, the best online learning platform. TeenUpgrader, as the name signifies, we are here to upgrade the teens to the next level. Starting with who we are simply a group of computer science engineers who want to make the teens, the next generation, smart by providing the best education of the latest technologies. We believe that the teens are the most creative learners, and hence the Teen Upgrader is here for you to set the right path so that your creativity can enhance. As we all know, technology is growing day by day, and we grow you along with the technology. Some of the leading technologies we deal with: Python, HTML, CSS, IoT, Java, and many more. Teen Upgrader benefits: strong base. Before learning any of the technologies, the base must be strong. Clear doubts. We are here to clear all the doubts. Real world projects will be the output. Strong base. For learning any new technologies, the base must be strong so that all the concepts become clear and easy to understand. Clear doubts. Doubts makes you strong. Don't worry if you get any doubts. We are here to clear all your doubts with live examples. Real world projects. The purpose of learning is to make the real world projects. You will be able to create your own projects. Teen Upgrader classes. Live interactive classes. We are not like others who provide you just the video tutorials. We give you the live interactive classes with weekly doubt sessions and small batches for better understanding. After successful completion of any of the course, you will get a certificate with digital certificate link. By the digital certificate link, you can download and show your certificate to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Just go to www.teenupgrader.com/certificate to download your certificate. Okay, now, why to choose Teen Upgrader? Learn more than you pay for. Best price. If you choose any of the course, you will get to learn more than what you pay for. Live interactive classes, as earlier told, doubt sessions, digital certificate links, hands-on projects, real-world projects. We get you everything. To contact us, here's the mobile number: +91, the country code 7535926385. You can email us on teenupgrader@gmail.com, admin@teenupgrader.com, info@teenupgrader.com. Check out our website www.teenupgrader.com. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.